Lokpal, which will have the complete authority to independently investigate and prosecute any officer, judge or politician. The Lokpal ensures to protect any whistleblower who will alert the agency to potential corruption cases.
We all must appreciate the determination shown by a 76-year-old man, Anna Hazare. The thing is,
we are beginning somewhere.
But at the same time, you yourself should take a pledge. I mean, now maybe you're not in a position to receive a bribe or something, but in future you may be in such a position. Okay?
See, in an ocean there are lots of fishes, but if you want to catch a shark, you can't just go directly and grab it. What we're doing is we're killing the smaller fishes. Once the smaller fishes die, there's no food for the sharks. So
if India is said to be the most booming country in the future, then future is us. Then why doesn't any young man go forward to start any protest which can do any help for the India? That's one thing which is striking me.
But I'm really overwhelmed by this idea and really support this.
Of course, corruption is present everywhere. Like if something happens there, you have to bribe the police. Say if an illegal thing had happened, you have to bribe the police not to come to the spot and take any action. But in India it is otherwise.
हो गई है पीर पर्वत सी पिघलनी चाहिए, हो गई है पीर पर्वत सी पिघलनी चाहिए, इस हिमालय से कोई गंगा निकलनी चाहिए, इस हिमालय से कोई गंगा निकलनी चाहिए। सिर्फ हंगामा खड़ा करना मेरा मकसद नहीं, सिर्फ हंगामा खड़ा करना हमारा मकसद नहीं, हमारा मकसद है कि हो कहीं भी आवाज पर आवाज उठनी चाहिए।
I am Anna Hazare, or I am Hazare, and there are thousands of Hazare in the country. Millions or billions.
but to our despair, to nation's dismay, on Monday morning, August 16, Section 144 was imposed around JP Park, New Delhi, where he planned to protest. Anna Hazare was arrested on 16th August by Delhi police on his way to the JP Park, where he was supposed to start his unlimited hunger strike, since the local government has refused a permission for him to do so. Arvind Kejriwal, Kiran Bedi, Prashant Bhushan, Shanti Bhushan and many other supporters who were there were also arrested. See, this is the scenario. We are all here. This is a one man fighting against corruption. At least we can support him.
He told me, we all share these jokes, right? In the joke there is one Japanese, there's one American and there's one Indian. Have you heard three kinds of jokes? Yeah. People in the joke, right? And in the joke, something stupid happens with the Japanese, something happens with the American, but the idiot in the joke is always the Indian. And we all laugh at it also. The people who are laughing are also Indians, and the people who are sharing the joke are also Indians. Okay, and this struck me. Okay.
So I would like all of you to take that pledge right now. Not only in future I will not take bribe. Now itself, okay?
I say your name, Shruti Vishwanath, hereby pledge that I will never give or accept a bribe. Further, I will not indulge in any malpractices that will be detrimental to the progress of my country, of my people, and of myself.
Satyamit! Satyamit! Satyamit!